For the same problem in a car, the service center gave you an estimate of 20,000 rupees. But in a local garage, they fixed it for only 7,000 rupees. So the big question here is the service center looting us or are the local garages cutting corners? Today guys, we will see the real truth. After watching this video guys, you will never get confused as to where to take your car. As every car owner faces this confusion. When the car is new, we only run to the service center, you guys know that. But when it becomes little bit old, we start looking for a local garage. But most people don't actually know where you should really go, or where you are wasting your money, or where your car is actually safer as well. Now guys, in this video I am not going to take sides. I am not going to support any of them. I will just compare both and put them in front of you, so that you can decide what is best for your car, according to your budget. And by the end of this video guys, you will behave as a smart car owner than an emotional one. It is going to be a very interesting video guys, so see that you like the video now only, and if you are coming on this channel for the first time, see that you subscribe and keep that bell icon pressed so that you will not miss any of my future videos. And remember guys to press that hype button. So without any further ado, let's get the video started. So I will divide the screen into two parts. This side I will keep the service center and this side I will keep the local garage. So let's get started guys. So guys, in the service center you will get original parts. Whereas if you compare it with the local garage, you will get original parts also there, you will get duplicate parts also there, you will get aftermarket parts as well. It all depends on the garage guys. Sometimes you can tell the local garage that I am going to get a original part, you just have to replace it. So you go to a service center, you buy that original part, you give it to the local garage and they replace it for you. But guys, sometimes the local garage, when you give them the part, they will tell you that part is not working and they will try to put their part just to maximize profit. So it is all on the local garage how they operate guys. Some people are very trustworthy people, but some people you guys know what they do. Then guys, the service center is always higher labor cost, but in the local garage the labor cost is slightly less. You guys know this already. Now guys, if your car is under warranty, then the best place to take your car is in the service center. But if your car is out of warranty, then you can either take it in the service center or in the local garage. Then the next thing guys, the mechanics that you will get at the service center are brand trained technicians. Means they are trained to repair their brand of car. For example, if you go in the Hyundai showroom, the Hyundai showroom will have mechanics who are trained to repair Hyundai cars. So once you are trained, you will easily fix that thing. You guys know that already. But in the local garage guys, they work on experienced basis. They have been fixing cars for a long period of time, or they have been working in a service center before. Now they left the job and now they do their own repairs. So they have learned a little bit from the service center before. They got their training there and now they are fixing their own cars in their local garage. So to fix the newer cars, they might face some problems. But in the service center, they are trained to do repairs on the newer cars as well. Then the next thing guys is in the service center, they will have better advanced tools. They will have better diagnostic tools, softwares, updates for ECU, all those things they will have with them according to their brand. Because every brand have their own software and they connect it to their car with OBD, and with that they become slightly advanced guys. But in the local garage, they will not have that because that software is expensive, that OBD is expensive and they are not ready to invest in one. But if the local garage is slightly advanced, then they might have these things as well. It all depends on the local garage owner. The next one is guys, the service center has a standardized process, means they will do things step by step. They have a system running. But guys, in the local garage there is a flexible working style. The next thing is in the service center there will be a proper job card and billing guys. They will give you everything in details, how much it cost and all that stuff. They will print it out and they will give it to you guys. But in the local garage sometimes there is no proper billing. They will just write on a paper and give it to you and you will have to pay them. And that is the reason why they are slightly cheap as well guys. The next one is guys, in the service center you will get a nice customer lounge to sit. And if you are not able to go to the service center, they even will arrange you a pick up and drop facility. Means a person will come to your house, they will take your car, they will service it and they will get it back to your house. This type of facilities the service center gives you. But guys, be careful when you are opting for this type of services. Once what happened with my brother is he opted for this pickup and drop, and they took the car, they brought it back, and before that driver put the car in the garage, by mistake he turned it off. And when it was time to turn it on, the car was not starting, guys. Now what happened there? The battery got spoiled, guys. Why the battery got spoiled? They must have disconnected the positive terminal first, or they must have connected the positive terminal last. When you do that, guys, your battery gets short circuited type of, and many times the battery gets spoiled. They did that mistake, my brother didn't know that, and then he had to buy a new battery because of them, guys. Because now it was like the problem happened at home. If you guys have faced any time a problem like that, do let me know in the comment section below, guys. Sometimes the service center guys are also not that trustworthy. But in the local garage, guys, you will not get all those facilities. You will have to take your car by yourself to that mechanic. And you will not get a launch to sit there. You will have to stand and watch that mechanic do the job for you. Let's move on to the next one, and the next one is, guys, in the service center, only company approved repair methods are to be followed. Means the company tells the mechanic that you will have to do certain things in a certain way, and the mechanic has to follow that. What I mean by that is, if something happens to one part and if that part is repairable, then they will not try to repair that part, guys. They will replace it directly, because that is what the company has told them. They have told them not to repair, just replace. And that is how they save their time and they maximize the profit as well, guys. Even if there is a dent on your car door which is repairable, they will not repair it. They will replace the entire door. How many of you guys have faced this problem? Do let me know in the comment section below, guys. But in the local garage, they are slightly practical. They will try some hacks and they will try to repair that part, and that is the reason why they are slightly affordable, guys. The next one is, guys, on the repairs done in the service center, if you have replaced a part, then you will get a 6 months warranty on that part, guys. Now you have to replace that part in the service center itself. You cannot buy the part in the service center and go and replace it in the local garage. You will not get a warranty for that. But if you buy the part in the service center and if you replace it in the service center, then they will give you a 6 months warranty. If anything happens to that part, then they will replace it right away. But very rarely those parts get damaged in 6 months, guys. The next one is, guys, in the service center, you will get the entire service history record. If you've been taking your car in the service center for a while now, then they will have the entire history of your car, guys. But in the local garage, you will not have any official service history. Now the service center is slightly expensive for a regular service, because even if you go for a small thing to repair, they will force you to do the oil change. Even if you have done an oil change already, they will tell you do it again and it is good for your car, and they will try to tell you something to do the oil change, because, guys, the company forces the staff to push the oil change, because that is their major profit generator, guys. So they will try to force oil change on you every time, and they have to cover their rent as well, guys. So for a regular service centers are obviously expensive, but for a regular service or for a regular maintenance, the local garage is more affordable. The next one is, guys, in the service center, you will hardly get to talk to the mechanic who will fix your car, because there is a certain process that you have to follow. When you take your car to the service center, you will meet a supervisor who will write all the things on a job card. You will have to tell the supervisor what is the problem, and then he will write it. Then that job card he will give to the mechanic, and then by reading that card, the mechanic has to fix the car. Now do you think that the mechanic can understand that problem properly? Sometimes he doesn't. So some of your things are not fixed because of that. But in the local garage, you can talk to the mechanic directly and you can explain to him the problem properly. Then, guys, in the service center, your car is kind of safe when you keep it there the whole night, because they lock the service center. There is also a security standing there to take care of the things. But, guys, in the local garage, your car is not that safe. They just park the car outside the garage, and that's it, guys. That's the only safety that you have. The next one is, guys, in the service center, they will take more time to fix the thing. Means if you take the car today, then they will not give you the car today, guys. They will tell you to come tomorrow or day after tomorrow, or they will take their own time, because there is too much workload there, guys. And they have to follow that system, and according to their system, they cannot work on your car on that day. There is a waiting period, because some people have taken appointments and all that stuff. Sometimes you have to take an appointment to take your car to a service center. You guys know that already. But in the local garage, you can get your job done faster if it is a small thing, and immediate work is possible there. So after listening to all of that, where you guys want to take your car, do let me know in the comment section below, guys. And now guys, it's time for my verdict, and my verdict is, if your car is new and if it is still under warranty, take it to the service center. And guys, if your car is slightly old, then you can take it to the local garage. But guys, there are some smart owners as well. They will try to fix their own cars by watching my videos. That is the reason why I call them smart car owners. How many of you guys do that? Do let me know in the comment section below. Having said that, I'm hoping that you found this video useful. If you found this video useful, then see that you like it right now. And if you guys have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and keep that bell icon pressed so that you will not miss any of my future videos. And remember guys, to press that hype button. Till then, this is Rasan Fernandez signing out. Until we meet again.